The crunch. Mm-hmm.
The crunch is also like apple-like too.
Mm-hmm. Whoa. Oh, you're here.
Yes.
All right. I guess that means we're ready for
Wednesday Hump Day Food Day.
Woo! All right, you guys. Well, first let me introduce us. I'm Corey, and this is my son Chad, my partner in crime, as you guys have seen already so many times. But anyway, I just love it so much with us together. And you're watching Casual Girl Adventures. Are you wondering what these are?
Yeah. What are they?
What they are, you silly boy. I'm asking my subscribers, you crazy nut. I was kidding. But anyway, I think it's possibility you might have seen these like in like American stores. But we get these also obviously from the Asian markets. But I think you've seen them around. Persimmons, something like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, not exactly perfect way to say them, but that's what they are. And what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how we cut them and eat them. Because I'm not sure if some of you maybe don't know. Hopefully you, maybe you tried them, you didn't like them because you ate the skin. You're supposed to take the skin off. You're supposed to peel them. So we're going to do that and show you. You want that one? Which one do you want?
This one.
Yeah. Okay, and this one. Alright, so anyway, we're going to push those to the side a little bit now.
Wow.
But what I like to do, and it's the best idea, is you take a pointy knife. You want a nice sharp knife. And then, you know what, I'm just going to do this a little bit closer. Alright. A little bit more. Don't play with your food back there. So kind of put it in. Got my thumb right there on the edge. And just kind of move the fruit a little bit. Gently. You know, take it very slowly. So that's what we do. We're going to go all the way around the top. Be very, very, very gentle and very, very, very careful.
I don't have that skin blue.
That's right. I'm not moving my knife. I'm moving my fruit with my fingers and thumb to kind of control. And that's it. Nice. And the top comes off nicely like that. That's what the... And then you got two ways. You can either use the knife and slice it like that, but I don't like to do that. That's a little tricky. I'm not that skilled. So what I like to do is take a peeler. Okay? And then just kind of like a little saw round in a circle all the way around the best you can. And you want to peel it. You want to peel it all the way off. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. You're going to peel it all the way off.
I kind of wonder what the skin tastes like.
I don't know. I never tried it because you're supposed to peel it off. That's what we were taught. No. Alright, so we're just going to go all the way around here like this. I'll show you one more time. And then I'll just finish peeling it. See? Like that. So just peel it. Like so. Alright, we're going to be back. I'm going to peel this all off. And then we'll show you what it tastes, or show you whatever, what it tastes like. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, well, okay, they're all peeled. All nice and peeled. Yes, even the very bottom. All that, both of them. Oh, I missed a little bit. Alright, anyway, okay, now they're all peeled. Woohoo! Woo! All good. Okay, the next thing we like to do
is
move that out of the way.
okay.
take it and skillfully, no, just kidding, and then just kind of cut it in half like that.
Like this.
Yep. And then there's the little bottom right there, and I just kind of at a diagonal.
Come on, do it Fruit Ninja style.
Fruit Ninja style. Just kind of at a diagonal like that. Be careful when you are coming in towards you, and then just get that little piece off.
Triangle.
And then there's a little bit of middle. Sorry. A little bit of the middle part right there. 'Cause you already got the top part off when you cut the top part off.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. So you go again at like a little diagonal. See that?
Yes.
And then be careful again when you're coming towards you. And then that's it. And then that little piece pops out. See?
Nice.
And then
You can eat it. And
now you can eat it. The whole thing. Okay, get the like that. I'm kind of hungry for this.
Me too.
That. And then just
I'm hungry.
very carefully. Okay.
Sure.
Oh, Daisy ate that one.
Nice.
But anyway. That's how you do it. That's what she was waiting for. Go ahead.
Wow, really?
Really?
Wow.
Cheers! Okay.
Cheers. Kind of.
They're a little slippery after a little bit. Move your feet and let me in, fool.
No.
Okay. So we got those. Now we're gonna take a bite. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Very, very, very good.
Yum.
Yum. A little sweet and slippery.
Yep.
A little sweet. Maybe on the side of like an apple kind of sweetness.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. A little crunch.
A little slippery.
A little slippery. But very, very, very good. Yeah, hear the crunch. Mm-hmm.
The crunch is also like apple-like too.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it doesn't taste like an apple. It has its own unique flavor, but like the texture like an apple.
Mm-hmm.
If you can picture that, it's almost like an apple. But it doesn't taste like an apple. But it's crunchy and sweet. Just the right amount of sweetness, too. All right, you guys. Well, braces. Kind of get in the middle, huh? All right. Well, anyway, Persimmons. Persimmons. But anyway, we'll have everything. Person, no. We'll have everything for you in the description and all that good jazz. But these are good recommended fruit. If you have, I think I have seen them in some of the American stores, Walmart and stuff like that. If you've always wondered, that's why I'm bringing you these. And don't forget, make sure you guys like and share and subscribe, because I see you watching. I see you out there. I know you're there. So just hit that little red button down there that says subscribe. Okay, you guys? Really could use that help. All right, well, until next time, this is our Wednesday. Oh, okay. Again? Okay. Wednesday Hump Day Food Day. That's okay. They're a little slippery. Little slippery turds. Bye, guys. Until next time. Thank you.